Careers in the skilled trades are rising in demand, and advancements in technology are helping to offer students an affordable and accessible education. CertifyED is leading the next generation of online curriculum, delivering cost-efficient online learning via instructional videos and virtual reality to help individuals across America explore careers in the skilled trades. CertifyED's classes are designed to explore careers and obtain skills in the workforce. With easy-to-navigate curriculum, students will be on their way to obtaining credentials. Its award-winning curriculum utilizes research-based approaches to learning and teaching, and the course content follows a simple and intuitive approach, using short video lessons, interactive simulations, and VR to immerse students in the material. This model gives you the ability to learn and explore the skilled trades at an affordable price. The virtual reality medium makes hands-on learning possible 24/7. For more information, go to certify-ed.com or call 800-970-1393.